What do they see when I walk into the room? Am I a snob in the scene for which I'm not fully groomed? All the faces are seen by these eyes, but in turn I am not recognized as surmise. It's just me. It is true, my look changes day to day. Jealous now, I'm the Lon Chaney of the East Bay. It's a many a time I approach where they see but a stranger encroach on their time. It's just me. I'll bide my time till that look in their eyes says they know me. I'll just sit tight till that gleam in their eyes tells me they know me. Know me. Do I seem shy? Is it just an excuse to hide away?